The pronoun which originates from the compound of the two words, the pronoun who to indicate a person, and the word alike that has the trait as an adjective or an adverb. The range of subject or object indicated by the interrogative pronoun which and the pronoun which applied as a subordinating conjunction to link the subordinate clause that has the trait as pronoun to the main clause is determined by the speaker because the range is discerned in the conversation with the speaker irrelevant to the origin of the word which. The interrogative pronoun which and the subordinating conjunction which to link the subordinate clause that has the trait as a pronoun indicate a part of the predetermined range of subject or object. The predetermined subject or object is irrelevant to the origin to indicate a person that resembles to the other person or a subject or an object that is not a person but resembles to a person. This can be understood that the classification of a noun to focus on the noun to indicate a person can be considered like this. The other nouns to indicate a subject or an object that is not a person like this. In this classification, the pronoun which indicates the entire subject or object because the classification is consistent with the criterion about whether the noun indicates a person or not. The interrogative pronoun which and the subordinating conjunction which to link the subordinate clause as a pronoun indicate a subject or an object irrelevant to whether the subject or object is a person or not. The pronoun which as a subordinating conjunction that links the subordinate clause that has a trait as an adjective to the main clause indicates the same subject or object as the precedent, which is not a person. The subordinating conjunction which to link the subordinate clause that has the trait as an adjective indicates a subject or an object that is not a person. From this application, the origin of the pronoun which, the subordinating conjunction who to indicate a person is applied to link the subordinate clause that has the trait as an adjective for the precedent. Then we can understand that the pronoun which is specialized to indicate a subject or an object that is not a person. The pronoun which indicates a part of the predetermined range of subject or object. The speaker to link the subordinate clause as a pronoun with the pronoun which sets the predetermined range to indicate a subject or an object. The precedent that is not a person is described by the subordinate clause linked by the subordinating conjunction which. The speaker indicates the subject or object that is discerned from the exclusion of the subject or object as a person with the precedent and the pronoun which to link the subordinate clause as an adjective to the main clause. The indication by the subordinating conjunction which to link the subordinate clause that has the trait as an adjective for the present that is not a person can be understood as a specialization with the pronoun who to indicate a person in the main clause.